Hello parents! The weekend is here and this Friday we're going to work on making our little ones more independent. Through today's activity, we will work on the hand-eye coordination of our little ones and their fine motor skills. So let's get started with the activity and see how it's done.
What are we going to do today?
Today Mama is going to teach you two things. First, how to peel a banana, and second, how to cut a banana. We're going to make slices of the banana, okay? Yes, but first we will...
You got a knife.
Yes, this is a special child-friendly knife. It is a plastic knife. It will not hurt you. See? Does it hurt you?
No.
So if you ever want to use a knife, you will use...
Plastic knife.
Yes, a plastic knife. Alright, but put it away right now, please. Thank you. Yes, take the banana in your hand. Okay, now how will you open it? Can you tell me? No. Yes, use your hand. Yes, very good. Peel it on your own. Very good. Keep peeling it till the bottom. Okay. Hold it from the bottom. Hold it from here. Yes, so you can open it properly. Like this, see, like this. Okay? Let that be on the side, okay? Now hold it from here. Hold it from here. Yes, now peel it and open it. Very good. This side also you need to peel it. From here, from the top. Yes, open it. All the way to the bottom. Very good. And from here also it's half open. Yes! Now I'll remove the peel and put it on the side here, okay? Now put the banana here and I'll teach you how to make slices. Yes, come on, hold it. Just remove this part first. Throw it. This part. Now this banana, once you make slices, you can eat. Help you? Hold it with one hand. Use this hand to hold the banana. Yes. Very good. Hold the knife a bit more sternly from here. Yes. And now cut it. What happened? Yes. Here. Very good. Very good. Wow. Sadik has become a pro. Yes. Softly, gently. Very good. Keep doing it. So parents, as you can see, today's activity is a very simple activity. But it is very, very important and very, very powerful in its impact. So it's going to help our little ones understand how to work on their hands, how to do daily basic things. Alright, you will help them learn how to use a knife. We've sent you this knife in the box. Use it. We all have bananas at home, so you need to use a banana for this activity and help your little ones learn how to slice and cut fruits. It's a very important activity for their hand-eye coordination, for the development of their hand muscles, for their pincer grip, all sorts of things. Alright? And it's a very simple activity. It can get messy, yes, but messy is fun with kids. Right? So, that's all for today, parents. See you next time. Bye-bye.
I'm cutting it.
Yes, you're cutting it.
Knife has become dirty.
It's okay, we'll wash it.